Greetings to all my dear students. I am Chaya and I will be taking your social studies classes chapters. From today, we will start the very first chapter of your book, which is from the unit first, Our Country, and the chapter's name is India, Size, Location and Physical Features. So before starting the chapter, to give you a little bit of context, in this chapter we will read about our country India, about its size, its locations and its various physical features. So let's start the chapter. India is a big and beautiful country. It is the 7th largest country in terms of area and the 2nd most populous country in the world. It is situated in the south of Asia. So we have different continents. India is located in the continent of Asia and in the southern part of Asia. It covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometer, extending from the snow-covered Himalayan mountains to the tropical rainforests of the south. So through that line, we also came to know the various physical features of India. We have Himalayas in the north to tropical rainforest in the south. On the right-hand side of the picture, we can see a political map of India. Now, coming to location. The southern part of India is surrounded by 3 big water bodies. And what are those water bodies? So in the east, we have Bay of Bengal. In the west, we have Arabian Sea, and towards the south, we have Indian Sea. Therefore, it is known as Indian Peninsula. So any landmass which is surrounded by water bodies in its 3 sides, it is called a peninsula. So India is also called the Indian Peninsula. Now we will learn important fact under the heading, Did you know? India ranks 2nd population-wise but 7th area-wise. So area-wise, we stand in line at the number 7 and population-wise, we are 2nd in the world. Here is a map depicting the geographical location of India in the Asia. Now we'll read about states and union territories. Have a look at the political map of India. We just saw the political map of India here. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. Delhi is the national capital territory. To the extreme north, like in the top north, we have the state of Jammu Kashmir. Kanyakumari is at the southern tip of the mainland of India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country is about 3,200 kilometers. So the length from the Kashmir to the Kanyakumari is 3,200 kilometers. And from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, it is about 2,900 kilometers. Rajasthan is the largest state in terms of area and Uttar Pradesh is the largest populous state of India. There are some important facts to be learned and noted. Here we can see on the left hand side of the page, there is a political map of India given. Various states are labeled along with the union territories. The boundary line that separates India from Pakistan is called Red Cliff Line. So this is the boundary line that separates India from Pakistan and it is called Red Cliff Line. Now, to keeping you update, Jammu and Kashmir is no state as of now. So earlier, Jammu and Kashmir was a full-fledged state, but after a legislative enactment, Jammu and Kashmir is not a state. It is converted into 2 union territories, which is Jammu and Kashmir and Leh and Ladakh. We have many countries in our neighborhood, so a natural consequence is that we share boundaries with other countries. What are those countries? They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Here in the map, we can see different countries. Here's China, here's Pakistan, here's Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. And here's Sri Lanka in the southern side. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the narrow Park Strait in the south. All these countries are our neighbors. Now we'll read about physical features of India. India is a land of mountains, hills, plains, plateaus, long coastline, forests, islands, desert, etc. These form the physical features of India. So so many diversity in terms of physical features is found in India. If one looks at the physical map of India, you will find that the northern side appears like a crown. The great Himalayan mountain ranges from the crown of India. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas and flows through the plains in different parts. One of the very famous river about which every one of us have heard is the river Ganga. River Ganga also originates from the Himalayas and flows through the plains of the North Indian part. Now we will read about the climatic conditions of India. Due to variation of land surface, the climate in India too differs from place to place. Some places are very hot, while some places remain very cold even in summers. Some places get very scanty rainfall. By scanty we means very less in amount. And some places get heavy rainfall. Now we will see the physical divisions of India. India is divided into 5 major physical regions, and they are the northern mountains or the Himalayan region, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus or Deccan plateaus, the coastal plains and island. India enjoys all the 3 seasons, winter, summer and rainy. So in India, we experience all the 3 seasons. And which are those seasons? They are winter, summer and rainy. Now we will recall some facts and we will see the chapter at a glance. This is a kind of summary of the chapter. India is 7th largest country in the world. India is situated in the south of Asia. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Jammu and Kashmir are not state now, they are union territories. The southern part of India is surrounded by 3 big water bodies. The 5 major physical divisions of India are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus and the coastal plains and islands. We completed the chapter, we will move to the exercise. We will fill in the blanks with the suitable options given below. Is the largest state of India in terms of area? That is Rajasthan. Is the national capital territory? Delhi. Everybody will take their pencils out and will write the answer in the space given below. India is situated in the south of Asia. That's correct. To understand geography better, you must refer to maps. So when I'm saying it is situated in the south of Asia, you must go to Atlas, visit the Asian continent and there try to map India. That way you will understand it better. The part of India is surrounded by 3 water bodies. It is, of course, the southern part. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas. Now we will match the following. Kanyakumari will be the southernmost tip. Arabian Sea, it is west of India. Before seeing the answer said by me, you can pause the video and try to solve the exercise by your own and then match the answers with me. And wherever you've done it wrong, you must revise it. Jammu and Kashmir, it is extreme north of India. Himalayan mountain ranges, crown of India. Park Strait, it is located between India and Sri Lanka. Now we have to tick mark the correct options. India is situated in the south of, that's right, it's Asia. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our country is about, that is right, 3,200 kilometers. Is the most thickly populated state of India, Uttar Pradesh. To the east of India, there is Bay of Bengal. With this, we finish our chapter and the exercises. I hope everybody enjoyed studying with me. You have to study the chapter religiously with me and revise the chapter after we've read so that all the parts that we've read will be consolidated in your memory. Until we meet next time, students, study well and study hard. Thank you.